umndeni is trash ngabona ngoside le olady neside le timer umndeni naye wouldn't recommend ngithi umndeni bethu umuntu ozohlangana naye estradini akuphathe ngendlela ukuthi uyaku-understand uyangithona umndeni loyo umndeni too like mina before imoto nana ngiyabona ama-pressure wey'moto mina ngifuna indlu first thing funa indlu just nje stable home kahle ngasho kanjalo because endlini lapha endlini mina ngihlala nasi ngiyangeke ukuthi ngithi ngisendlini ngisekhaya ntwana ungithole ngisendlini sempatshini mfethu ngiserumini mina futhi erumini ngaqala ukuhlala kungakabi nombhedo kusase sofa kuphela sathulekile ngana next kusase nesofa kuphela ngaqala labuya njengoba labuya la nami la ngijikela lapha empatshini mfethu yabo manje like nalapho kunamakhazini lawa namakhazini lawa ayisho niyawangibhora kahle no like ngikungibhora like I will say honestly noma bangalibona lento bebangidina yazi thi ngikutshela nala bekuyinto ukuthi mfethu nawe wena la uframa Russian nentwana uframa Russian ama-Russian wakho angazi lama-Russian aphuma but nidla ninodwa ama-Russian
phambi kwakho
mfethu kumele ngishaye umdoko mina sengisho nangikhali mina mangokwami okwami mina I love my own ngisho nanoma kuncane kanjani okwami yes standing on business okwami nanoma kungani uyangithola ngishaya ama-Russian nana mina ngifuna ukushaya umdoko banokumbangisa mfethu akwazi ukuthi ushaya umdoko yabo uceda impuphu hawu mfethu into emele ngiyidle manje khona akunasinga ngisho like masithenge isinkwa nini sifake emakamereni nani
hawu bafake
emakamereni from like
abantu baphila ngathi basereze lapho experience from trending so far
cabanga mina nginotosa sihleli kanje
ngoshaya umlando
ngitshela ngikho isikhathi ngikhale ngibe like mani ngiyenzani manje uNkulunkulu wayengathi njengoba ngikhala kuba ngathi ngithuka uNkulunkulu ukuthi hayi mana akana plan engcono yabo ngizistop ngihleke kancane ngisihleke ukuthi hayi bengenzani ngizikhuphule ngiphume ngihambe ngiyodlala nabanye abantwana ngingafaki effort if bengifaka hamnca kuba ngikhula and kungise Cuba I'm learning CPR kube ngifunda ukushaya ngokuthi bengeke isidingo sama lockdown bengayilapha fast le wonke umuntu akaphuza umuthi omkhuhlane wonke umuntu njalo naloma ungaguli before uphuma uphuza umuthi omkhuhlane izophatha ngeke
if every day vele uphila ngene
ngani ngiyabona umntanakho la mara kulokubhekana nami ngiyabona ukuthi lo mntana lo akuso wakho kahle
it's right naso zo refill
tanga ngokuthela ngapha
refill
ufuna ama-brand ambassadors
right
ufuna wasikhansela
vele ngisprite ngisithenge ngamabo
Red Bull
sponsor
basikhansela basithi nix vele basojabula nje abantu enako
izule
lapha basithi
lapha esipantala
right nje ngalamakhapuni lapha esipare lapha
What would you rather be sponsored by though?
Ngitselele bona angasepayisa lamakhaphu manje wafaka amalogo Infinity wonke
wapayisa
yes bawancane amakhaphu lamakaphu
wapayisa
yaza kucheke kwancane kanjani
selling t-shirts
yonke
selling shoes
uzobona wena next year
selling kahle
next year yosela yonke into engibambayo ngabamba amazimba kahle wabona ngiyenzela ngaba
so ufunda ama ingredients
ngifunda ama ingredients bese kushaya ama phone call hey how do you make those short pops ngizobona
manje sengithabile
usebenzisa yini lapha
soqala
manje awusawafaki nama mic lawa
now
Local like.
Konke ayikhona la.
No, mic yam no. That's what I'm kidding. My mic yam.
Oh.
Bombs and Penta.
Ngibelo loku.
Hayi le, angisho
Hayi grand. Le cover room yonke. Oh, Sprite sakho lesi. Yeah, service malo saba. Nice.
Chief now must pour this
So
one.
now ima uzothela ifansi ale insurance efuna Sprite.
Man, I'm drinking Sprite.
Yeah, uzochinja.
Ngoba kuyafana ngiyizwa le yenzakala lana nje.
Red Bull.
Angiyizwa le yenzakala ku Red Bull kuyafana.
Now useshile futhi.
And says iyaphela ngizwa nix nje. Nje instead
Nama cups shooter ngawa namhlanje siya promote ukuthi siyawathengisa amabafuna 120 150 sizotshela iprice straight.
Mangawala ke.
Real for price.
Yayiza iqalile ithi imali izohlala kuhle.
Angeke market angeke. Ubonile nje ngoba uyayazi location yami. And mabasa angihlali lapha ke mina ngazi bana ngama.
Ngitanga bamba lapha.
No pop shop siyam lo singamsponsor lo.
ABC Foods.
Our pop shop
Bana company straight nje lapha. The thing is bazothi mabathi ba sponsor abasinika ama pop shots amaningi.
Yeah.
Oh, isifumali lo.
Yeah, hamba nemali. Brand angeke igayidayide ngeproduct yabo bangayidanga something ku.
Ne?
Abangayidanga shoot bakobani.
Bakupha nje izinto lezi.
Yabo umuntu mozothi into ongqomuthelele impahla umswengo. Mina akayi lo mswengo akayi nemali or something yakho. Lo mswengo phela it's for ukuthi vele wena advertise.
Yeah, afana nale.
Yeah.
Lebe kumele vele ingayide. Beka nomsebenzi nale into bekumele umsebenzi nayo imali.
Because if bowufuna itheki kumele ibhadale upromote uzozithengela.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Just nje mina ngiveza ithombe ngithi uyathengisa. Ngiyambona ngene ngama overlay.
Hayi tangasibangele shaya intro. Lapho kuqala sirecord.
Dallas record. It is fine.
It's fine.
Asithukanga muntu.
Yeah. Ngikhuluma ngosign booty la.
Siya.
Sesisaye.
Ngeke ngahlangana naye
Now participate eneta. On.
Ngeke ngahlangana naye kwelinye site nami ngazisola ukuthi ngifuna shoot.
Yeah, if it's inkabangi.
Ngishana ama short video we shoot.
Sinkabangi. Ashooting, sinkabangi. Ngizobona ngendlela. Sizobona ngendlela.
Ahlanya ama pop shots ayi.
Right. Ngenta.
Yeah.
Oh, dala le mic yami record la.
Yeah, ilayitile. I believe.
Yambombo.
Hi. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Infinity Talks. And you know, as I'm always here, 13, yeah, favorite co-host, you know the vibes. On the other side, Mr. Infinity himself. You know what they say. It's not just a podcast.
It's a movie, guys. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Infinity Talks. Namhlanje siniphethe Lokamuso K, one of your favorite TikTokers, influencers and all that. Marongazi introduce that. Bangathi siyawazi.
Njengoba sebashilo, it's a movie.
It's a movie.
It's a movie.
Ngicabangile in the building. Senze movie.
Senze movie. Hayi asincekeni vele step by step lento. Obvious ngoba praise ne. Ngoba bayazi bafuna le high still abantu.
Bafuna heist. Kahle kahle.
Kunini?
Bazoyithola.
Bafunile bathi mfethu ubiza uKamuso asitshela ukuthi kenzakalani ngale high si plan live ngoba ba believe ukuthi vele.
Si plan live.
Aba believe ukuthi ayenzeke.
Yenzeke le heist.
Bathi kunini? Bathi seyizichinchisa nengqondo sifuna ama 350.
It's yazi ama 351.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ngizokwazi ukuthenga equipment ye heist. Ngoba heist nje. Uyangithola?
Ngiyakuthola.
Yeah.
Mina bengithi singena ngempama kanti
Equipment amabhalaclave. Ama-glove. DNA. Machine DNA.
Yeah.
Ukuthi kuzitholakala. Uyangithola?
Yeah.
Into efana nalezo. Phela mina ngiyacabangile lento ukuthi ama-glove what if bazosire record.
Yeah. Oh, ufuna bakubona.
Angifuni ukuthi sibonwe. Yeah. Manje ama-mask awathengwa nakulethwa ama-350 ngizokwazi ukuthi ngiyenzeni. Ngithenge i-equipment for the job.
Isipanish sazoqhubeka.
Isipanish sazoqhubeka.
Anja ngoba shaye ngeintro ke lapho ubatshela ukuthi kahle wena ubani, ubuyaphi.
No. Mina ngisengicabangile. On the socials.
Yeah.
Mara ngokamuso okay. Kusuke Davidson. Kahle.
Yeah. Abangakwazi bazothi udume ngani?
Abangangazi.
Yeah.
Abayamazi ngihlala bangangazi.
Yeah, it's possible. Yazi khona umuntu ongamazi uyangistana namhlanje.
Lo uyahlola lo uyophila ngokusana. Hayi, ngeke Davidson. Esisuke Davidson is great.
Yeah. Vele lapha evuthani
Davidson Tana, what is something in the water there?
Isidlayo thina alifani
le
ibaba esidla ngalo.
Yeah.
Zonke zisuka ngalezi grades. Yeah. Zinswembu nami ngiyabona ukuthi hayi should nami ngiyentswembu yazi.
Ya believe amo net for ukuthi ubuye Davidson.
Just nje for ivutha.
My association.
Yeah.
Lento iyithi ngalisegazini.
Yeah. Manje la nye content uyiqale nini njalo?
Nonyaka.
1 year.
Angisho ikanjani lento le. Now poster. Phela sigcine side mfethu nami ngidala ngihamba kuba 200 views, 70 views.
That's true, no. That's true. Yeah.
Dala ngabo ende maningi. Maningi omunye umuntu uzothi wena uqala manje i-TikTok yabo like 2 months back, 3 months back. Hayi bu. Kulini mfana ngilokho ngiyazama. Akuzame ngiyazama. Hayi angizwakali.
Yeah.
Ngabona i-strategy nyana ukuthi kahle ukuze i-video yakhe ihambe. Kumele wenzeni ngiyabona ukuthi hayi uyabona naleyo ukufaka ama-filter nje ku-video yakho. Yakele filter straight camera mfethu izokwazi TikTok ukuthi analyze ibone yonke into eyenzakala. Ngiyabona. Le ama-filter le hayi. Uyabasebenzela abanye abantu.
Algorithm straight mic feed with le nyama yomuntu le uyi.
Yeah, ngokuthi nangiceda ukwenza i-video uyibona kuba ngathi iyascan or something kuba ngathi uyakhatheka like yabo mosoceda uyenza kumele uyisave kuba ngathi uyakhatheka nani kumele uyipost yabo uyabona ukuthi kuba ngathi kuyascaneka la or something uyabona mara i-filter mina ngiyirecommend.
Manje moqala bushaya ipi content at first
ngimane ngivele ngikhuluma nje into ibheke eceleni mara relatable. Ngasho kanjalo. Yeah.
Relatable. Lo shaye nge1 isibone lapho.
No, sengizikhohliwe phela. Like into relatable mhlambe yomjolo. Njengabanye abajida laba abashaya yabona ukuthi bemisa camera. Bengi-edit ngitutsile jo. Angisho la ma video laba maningi. 100 ayadlula. Lama video ngawahide ngathi ngakubona.
Lawa ama 200 views la.
200 views 70 views.
Awona.
Yeah.
Wafaka ku private.
Ku private. Mawuthi ngapho uyabona maningi yiwo. Umuntu uzothi hayi edala ngizama. Ake post i-video ne confidence hayiyo le.
Yeah.
Akusiyo. Baze ne strategy zokuthi isikhathi banamanga. Yeah, into esikhathi banamanga angazi okay abanye abantu mara ngibelieve banamanga.
Yeah, bathi kume poster mo 3 emini. Yeah, but it works. Sometimes it works.
Video yakho for the right video abantu bakhona.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter what time, doesn't matter what quality.
Abantu abalala uyamangala wena ezingamangala abantu
abalala.
Anytime for the right video abantu bakhona.
As long as you decrend abantu bakufrostana, it doesn't matter ukuthi post enjani ngoba isikhathi, ifilter, what.
Phela umuntu ozokutshela ukuthi ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi uthola kanje ama views ku TikTok. Naye ngisho ufuna ukuthi uyazi ukuthi si interested ngokuthola ama views so nje. Uzolalela ende umtholela ama views nawe nje ngokulalele kule video yakho.
Yeah, upush video yakhe.
So like le ndaba le ukuthi so like iqale trend or like we qalile and then we will push or all of a sudden one day uvukile now so kusiyavala le.
No kahle nisengicabangile vele yabo and mase ngicabangile ngeke ukuthi hayi mfethu sengicabangile shoot yonke into accurate. Sengicabangile wena seke isidingo sokumele uthi hayi yes uthi hayi akuvumi wena uyavuma mina sengicabangile wena ungasayicabanga mase sengicabangile ungasayicabanga wena ukuthi hayi mhlambe so accurate
wayicabanga uwe kuphela.
Yeah, wena nje sekumele senze nawe Yeah, mina sengicalculate
Yeah.
wena nje mele senze. Ngiyavela kuwe sengicabangile. Wena nje mele uthi ya siyayenza. Because angisho awukwazi ukuthi nawe ucabanga shuthi kahle kahle ngicabanga kahle musa.
Oh, mina ngangizocabanga nje.
Uyayibona. Ane sengicabangile mina injikile into le.
Yeah. Manje ngifuna ukubhayisa ikipa, mocabanga singayenzani?
Zani.
No, as a brand, yeah. As inje, so mara different brand.
Yeah, so ungasibhayisa njalo again. Ngashaya inyongo. Mara mina like financial advice.
Ngiya wena ufuna ukusibambela imali sonke siyikhanda.
No, ngi-professional.
Yeah.
Ngi-professional. Financial advisor, professional one. Yabona? And uma ngi-advise ukuthi ngisendele imali, ungangibuza ukuthi yaphi because yimi professional. Ngitena kanjani?
Singabuzi.
Ngi-financial advisor, professional one.
Yeah.
Ngiya-advise.
Yeah.
Send me money. Send me 1K la.
The advice.
The advice.
Yeah.
As you advise, professional one.
Yeah.
Uyangibuza wena. Iyaphi? Uyabona ukuthi kahle kahle awuthathi langithuka.
Ngoba ngathi ngaba zamandla wakho.
Ungaba zamandla wakho. Ungangibuzi ukuthi iyaphi.
Ngithumele
Maria
Dina.
Yeah.
Izofika.
Umuntu makabuza ukuthi wayisendile uthi hayi bese ikhulumile professional.
Yeah.
Nje kuphela.
Now let's take it through like your childhood days.
Yeah.
Like, what were you doing as a kid?
Mina ningiphapha chu.
Yeah.
Ningiphapha. Abake bafunda nami bayazi ukuthi hayi manje bengiphapha.
Ushava.
Yeah. Ngibengishaya engifundile mina njami ngihlale yonke indawo ngakhuliswa wonke umuntu.
Yeah.
Into ena kanjani and kwala and serious ngihlale yonke indawo ngakhuliswa wonke umuntu.
Like
Yeah.
like Davidson yonke vele.
Hayi Davidson yonke ngilo ngisuka yabo. Lo ngisuka ngize la. Kusuke ngize la yabo into ena kanjani. Yeah, kanjalo kanjalo.
But like your most childhood yakho ukuthi ukhulile maybe like 3-4 years.
Yeah, kuphi la uhlale khona isikhathi.
La ungathi la ile ndawo le ngikhulumile to be the person.
Ngasho ukuthi Davidson.
Ufike nini eDavidson?
Uzobe kwenzakala ngisakhula.
Yeah.
Grade 1 wami. Yeah, grade 1. And no, grade R and grade 1 Makhaya. Eastern Cape. Grade 2 and 3 ngapha. eGauteng eDavidson. Ngabuyela futhi emakhaya. Uyabuka ukuthi kahle ngisho ama 2 years ngilokhu. Lama 2 years ngiya back and forth. Yeah, intena kanjalo. And then ngabuya sengibuya ngapha sengishaya grade 6. Yeah, bese ngishaya grade 6. Mangifika ngapha.
La ushaya va.
Ngifikele eBarcelona primary. Ngafunda ePP eBilliton. ePP Mnyathaza. High school. Ngaceda khona ngaphasa grade 12.
Yeah.
Khona baje ukuthi angiphasa grade ngiphasile.
Pretty bachelor.
Yeah, mina. No, bachelor. Ibachelor bengitsofa kakhulu mara bengislem. Mara bengitsofa. Mina ngiphela ngiphase ngafaka nge-efforts. If bengifake efforts, I think kube ngi-doctor.
Scientist.
Yeah.
Oh, inkinga ngongapha.
Ucabangela abantu kakhulu.
Ucabangela abantu ne.
Mangisesikolweni.
Yeah.
Angifundi. Ngizwa ngifunda mangifika endlini ngicabanga if bengifunda esikolweni nasendlini. Babakhena labo mama ukuthi bengiphuma mina njalo njalo. Kancane. Yangizwa. Yeah.
Uhlupha.
Yeah, bengihlupha mara bangavuma mfana bangaqamba manga bengihlupha mara bengile esikolweni.
Clean.
This is super easy.
Lezo skill, lezo
Tafisi yashaya.
Shayithakile.
Into beyi-right. Ongasho ukuthi lo muntu lo ufunda zona lo muntu lo isikhwama yazi ngisho incwadinyana.
Ezi 4.
Uthame ne-school bag. Nakhona enhla kusho off i-school bag.
Sibona ngathi amanesi lawa mfethu isikhwama esingaka. Namabhruku angaka invida ngiyasilela into ngishaya esinye iskill esi6.
Wena moshaya iskill.
Yeah. Siziphi esi6 umfunde ekhasi. Obvious.
Ufake neziphi?
Yeah, iziphi eslemplan.
PP neskill.
Yeah.
Pushing P.
Shayela ama-toast cheese, ama-toto.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngiwashisa. Bengifuna nokushaya ekhaya nethi ngasheshe ngaphuma. Phela zakhe ngafeyila.
Ngofuna ukuhlala wena ukuthi isayela sonke masidlula uhlale nayo.
Yeah, mara mina ngifisa ngisamacela uqeda ugrade 12 ngifisa ukuthi I wish bengifailile nje.
Isikolo simnandi, isikolo simnandi. Isikolo sinjani? Isikolo muda aske. It's not nice. Mara immediately muphuma tanga you realize ukuthi lapho kumnandi feels. Outside was not.
Ama imagine wena bonga esikoleni 15 years.
Ban. If it's ngicedile and I can go anytime I want. Mara it's ngibuye. I want the permission to go out anytime. Mara like ngifuna ukubuyela esikole.
Ufuna ukuhlala esikoleni
ekhasini
une freedom yokuthi
anytime.
Usumntana esikole.
Yeah. Lapho tangu the jokes there tanga kumnandi like.
And again mina ngiyakhumbula bengishaya ama jokes accommodate abantu no man.
Buwacabange.
Mina bengasha ama jokes ukuthi manje bathi hey phuma eclassini wena. Yabo soyaxosheka hayi mina wami ngiyo accommodate no man bekasho ukuthi hey Kamuso uyaphapha. Yo anjalo hayi lawa ukuthi maye umeme ufila disrespected hayi. Bengishaya mhlawumbe ijoke related nalento siyifunda ngayo manje yabo. Ngeke uhlale nawe ungahliki. Ngisese ku topic mara mina ngihlisa ngayo leyo topic.
Shuthi kahle uyayazi daddy.
Yeah, exactly. That's what yena kahle
bekasengafaki effort.
Mara bekafaki.
Yeah, bengafaki effort. If bengifaka hamnca kuba ngikhula. I know kuse Cuba I'm learning CPR ne. CPR kuba ngifunda ukushaya CPR.
Cuba. Nawe iCovid bengeke izithatha isikhathi.
Uyayipesh. Ende yami bengayilapha lento or
bengayilapha.
Lokuthi bengeke isidingo sama lockdown. Yeah, bengayilapha fast lento. Wonke umuntu akaphuza umuthi womkhuhlane. Yeah, wonke umuntu njalo nalo ungaguli. Before phuma uphuza umuthi womkhuhlane. Umuthi womkhuhlane uzophatha.
Ngeke. Give every day vele uphila ngene.
Ngikani? Itishayinika.
Ayiliga lento le manje.
No, mara think about it. Abantu abashayinika angizange athi ushawe iCovid. Flu. Sibaphatha izinto ezisnap.
Lezi sipemintsanga utanga ngeke uthole ukuthi iyagula tanga.
Yeah. Asiguli tanga.
Yeah.
Mara wena azi uqede nini emetric?
Last year.
2023.
Fresh.
Yeah.
No, uncle fresh. Yes. Uncle
been
fresh.
long, 2 years.
Yes. Yeah, when I was unyaka lo after metric.
Yeah. Wenzani? I think I saw something a video of you uspana kuma construction.
Yeah.
Ushama cement or something.
Man. Yabona makunemali it is me.
Yeah, involved.
Just nje ngiyakwazi ukwenza izinto ukuthi mhlambe ukhe ngiyacenta, yabo? Mhlambe into ifana nalezo ma contraction ukuthi yabo. Yeah, ngiyakhona ukwenza into ena kanjalo. As long there's man, yabo?
As long as kunemali.
Ngishaya.
Khada.
Yeah, bengidiliza lapha zo-akwa.
Wena bodiliza.
Yeah, bengidiliza but then ubonile iyamuri ngiphethe lapha it's not fit engidilisile lapha. Ngadiliza ngabona ukuthi not ngcono ngishaya ivideo. Record because futhi angisho bengisazijwayezele into ukuthi phela ngathi mangifika ku TikTok ngafika mina ngifika ngini
Ukuthi I'm gonna train fast.
Cause vele skilla bontsweng. Cause a lot of people banale mindset ukuthi eskilla ngintsweng vele abantu bangincane natural.
Next mina bengaphethanga lo mcondo ukuthi like mina bengikela ukuthi I have something to say.
Yeah.
I have something kahle ukuthi engayikhuluma. Angeke ngisho noma ngicela ukuvuka ngeke ngihlule inkulumo mina. Serious.
Noma uphupha.
Angeke ngihlule inkulumo. Khuluma. That's why vele ngathi mangiqala ngokukhuluma. Mara ngifuna ukuthi kube into ukuthi yabo uya relate nawe uyasenzakalela sonke lento le. Mara amavideo wami ukuthi angahambi eqaleni. Lento ukuthi angisho obvious. Now usaqala TikTok awufuna ukuthi bakubone ngathi cringe
nathi ubhale.
Yeah.
So uzozama ukuthi uphinde ufuna upush charming at the same time.
Oh cute. For others that works boy.
Yeah mama kona wonke umuntu ungena ngokuya cute lapha wonke umuntu
uma harajita nguyazishala izinto tanga zibamba 10k likes not views
as good
yabo manje ngifaka
kulo
ngapho ufaka bengifaka nama filter inkinga lokuyifilter bengingafuni yabo ngithe mangilahle ifilter phansi ngabona ukuthi hayi man shoba ngilahle ifilter kanje Ama-video sekuchintshile manje.
Ava.
Sewathi 1K views.
Mm.
Yabona?
Yeah.
And eqaleni bewaphelela lapha ku 26 likes.
No, maybe ayazi
No
audience
comment, no
noma bona le filter le vele bakhinyeka cha lo uqalile.
Yeah, abantu ngathi uyaphusa ekupheni.
Yeah.
No bengimuhle lapha. Bengimuhle la. Kufilter bengimuhle. Ngithema ngilahla phansi ngabona ukuthi hayi no. Straight camera. Nanoma ifoni yami ishuta nje. Anginamsebenzi. Iquality ngithola phambili.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's better to start now and
Start with what you have.
Yeah.
Yeah, and ke kusimple uyabona mawusebenza ngokufoster ngalolu nanga ngiyakutshela ke kuzokhuphuka. Yabona manje inkinga wafoster uqala vo. Hey.
Akuhlangana.
Yeah, kuba inkinga.
Because angeke uqale because umele ukuthi
Many equipment kahle kahle.
Ngispana kuzo lezi zinto zokuceda uba nozongithengela iPhone. Ukuthi nami ngibe muhle lapha. Yasi. Yabona, ngikubani yabo. Yeah. Ukuthi nami
Ngicabanga kanjani ukuthi yeah.
Intena kanjalo. Straight camera hayi. Ngabona yabona le Samsung engisebenzisayo.
Yeah.
Izongithatha ngibeke la ngifuna. Anginamsebenzi nokuthi
ma iPhone watwati la mashop yana ama DM for snikela ma iPhone. Sabang gadgets. Yeah, advantage. True.
Abazi.
Inkinga yazi ke wabona busesintwana ne ekasi urelaxile uhleli uke ugodri social media. Ubhekela le ntwana zale like zama iPhone. Yo, ayisintweni lesithomo. Yeah, ubheka zona uyahalela uyalike yandlula. Uyasiphusha nje. And emothi yaphela. Asiphushi pese kangaka. Just zine
Quality camera.
Maka mozobheka abantu abahasla abagawunda empilweni. Yizo lezi zingana quality. Ishaya isipani one way.
Wait. Let's just recap a bit because for your family. How did you grow up? How parents, siblings, household?
Dad, mother.
Dad, present. Mother. Mother. Phezu prakod kanje. Imada. Mpinjika prakod. Bazona kakhulu lephezulu. Yeah, intina kanjalo. Maye ngingathini? Bengiloko ngisho bengihlale emakhaya ngingahlala emakhaya ngihlala nesigriza la ngiloko ngichief ngihlale nawo wonke umuntu khona umuntu uzothi uzangikhumbula mina khulisini uzongitshintsha kopapa yeah manje ngathini recently manje into zamanje
but then like every time more chief like abazali bebahlezi ba supportive like financially and everything.
Abazali
it's boy KZN Eastern Cape uyangapha
time very supportive yabo very supportive but then initially yami inemkhumbathi ingcosi so angeke singanishaya mina nalezi zami singayibamba sodwa ziningi
inka inka be amara Eastern
manje angeke like akwazi ukuthi yabo everyone ngithwa kuke wabasikhona isikhathi sokuthi kube nzima and ukuze kube nzima kube mnyama ngisho shuthi kuzokhanya ukuze kuzokhanya cale kube mnyama ngele kwabamnyama blind ngasho kanjalo because ngathini ngihlala empantshini namanje ngihlala empantshini yangizwala backroom ngiyaz provided vele yangizwala like ngisibheka nani yangizwala ukudla namanje nje take away ngiyothenga yini yabona ngiyintina kanjalo sekane manje kuba smooth uyabo kuke kwaba rough kuziplay yami nani
It was tough.
Yazi Papa Nespice ngike ngashaya ivideo
6 gun.
Papa Nespice.
Papa ne-6 gun.
Papa ne-6 gun. Bengishaya bekuyi favorite meal yami. Bese ngishwayele. Ngathatha ivideo Papa Nespice ngayiyenza as a joke. Yangizwa navele i-situation esiright.
Ube ngiyenza ijoke. Yes.
Yeah, manje engayiyenza lapha hayi mina yabo ngibenze i-Bluewheat itori ze-i-Bluewheat ngasho ukuthi hayi no i-notification ingena ngicela ukudla ipapa nespice. Yangizwa ipapa nespice vele ngicela ukusidla.
Yeah.
Abanye abantu bekuyivala. Yeah, iyahlekisa vele nami ngingathi bangicabanga mangizotshela umuntu ukuthi bengidla ipapa nespice.
So kuba ngathi uyafaka uyasikena lezo mase-successful empilweni. Yeah, bengihlupheka, I used to sleep emotweni.
I didn't sleep emotweni.
Which one?
At least i-roof ngathi beninayo nanoma ngasiye yami ngiyafisa ukuba nayo mina ngeke ngithenge imoto oqala before indlu. Yeah, ngathi responsibility already bangishila ama responsibility yabona already ngiyazi ukuthi akhe nginama siblings. Yeah engimele ngibanakekele yabona
Bayingakho abantwana bakhe?
Ama-out ayi-2.
All younger than you.
No, sengikhuluma ngabe everyone manje hayi the time angisuka la size angazi.
Isiphelele episode.
Yeah, uthi
hayi amandla kanjani.
bathi indoda kumele idudu.
I-out ezi-2.
Yeah.
Yangizwa and then sister khona sister endala first born. Lihlala le-Eastern Cape lona vele starring kakhulu
kahle umXhosa.
Uthethe inyani. Njalo.
Vele amaXhosa anomanga sengiya-understand.
No, akusamanga wena. Mawulalela ushahile. Uzobona ngathi amanga. It's the truth. Adinga ini le scope leso sibheka kanje.
Telescope.
Yeah, le nkulumo sidinga i-telescope usibhekisise. Uzobona phakathi kuneciniso kahle. So like angisho layouts zi2 nabo chera bayi2. Yeah, manje uyabona ke lezi obvious azina already nani lezi kahle kumele ngizibheke layout lezi. Ngiyangizwala.
Azina already
obvious.
And then they're younger than you.
Yazi bancane kunami. Usister Ro umdala nakhona umdala ngawani ngeke ngithi umdala.
Lo was Eastern Cape.
Lo ungapho.
Lo ngapho.
Lo se-Eastern Cape sami ngoba starring ngaleyo ndlela. Ngimtexta last ungishange phom ngiyasho ukuthi ngikubukayo man. It's fine. Yeah. So like nayo yabo ushayela impilo yakhe le way yashayela ngakhona lo sister umdala kimi lo ngishanga wani and then i-out ezincane nakimi obvious intwana zami yazi mazibone Grootman. Ubone Grootman. Now ngeke uyabona noma ubone Grootman lakho Grootman. I-out ongayihlupha nanani modinga inani ngithola. Ngasho ukuthi i-out zami leziya ngiyafisa ukuthi ngizithengele umuzi siwayinde sonke siyishijita. Ntwana zami abajita plus ngi-height siyalingana kanje singakushaya.
Ngeke ngixoxa. So basically when I say ufuna uba like sort of a role model to your children, to your younger siblings.
Manje
I am.
You are.
From Dala ngiyabona lezi ngihlonipha ngani lezi ngazi ngithathe nje kancane lezi uyabona ukuthi intwana lezi i-respect
Ndala.
Yeah like ngiyabheja ngizama ukuthi hayi lezi zama izami lezi yakho. Ngeke zingijike lezi.
Yeah, uyazinakekela.
Yeah, manje seyisukile.
Yeah.
Seyisukile.
Manje njengoba uhlala ku backroom, uhlala ne-oledi nale intwana lezi ezincane.
Ngihlala yimi nale ntwana yami encane. Lapha backroom. Hey wena, bekunoku kuphela ukudla lapha kudla kungabikho. Yeah.
Unelaphi family house lapha?
Lapha i-family house vele.
Family house yakini bese uhlala emuva.
Ngihlala backroom ngithola. Gamagogo. Ngisho kanjalo. Because they are cousins there, yabo aunties.
Other relatives.
Nabo baplomara.
Yeah, nabo
baplomara inside.
Umndeni is trash. Ngabona ngo-side le oledi ne-side le timer. Umndeni naye wouldn't recommend ngithi umndeni. Umndeni mvethu umuntu ozohlangana naye estradini akuphathe ngendlela ukuthi uyaku-understand. Ngiyakuthola. Umndeni loyo.
Yeah.
Umndeni. Ayikho like
okay, it's not about the blood.
yeah khona umehluko between ifamily nama relatives
speak preach
yeah ngasho kanjalo
licabanga le
iqiniso ngayibona ngayi realize since I realize it's because ngabona ukuthi hayi mfethu ngikwazi ukuthi ngihashileke kabuhlungu kanje
but for relatives
yeah khona la ngivakashela eplaya yami kabish impantshini le playa yami fanele ukuthi ngithi ngivakashele wena mawungena ekidini wendlini ku big house qha ngifika lapha kushama khanani ngoba
kamnandi
yevele iza ngapha endoda ngiphizi ngelinye ikhabishi lapha ngiyalinononga ndoda mara mina njalo ngiproud ngento yabona mokwe yami lela khabishi ngazithengela I'm standing on business amfana ayibe ikhabishi lami yabona into mawusithengela ekhabishi lami la uyabona angikhali futhi mina into engeke ngisiza ukuthi yabo unganaki ezinye izinto ngizwa
so lele ngibuildile vele like mentally because it's tough emotionally yazi mohlala eroomini ntangu yi1 uyastruggle
nokukhala indoda basayikhali mara bangicela ukukhala ukukhululeka
ayikole abakhala baba you feel free
but you don't cry come out say awuphuma ubuye sokubengikhala
chief even if you say it you must cry bro mina ngiyakhala machita mina sikhala
mara sonke siyakhala mara
ngitshela ngerifi yazi khona isikhathi ngikhale ngibe like man ngiyenzani man
yes cool
uNkulunkulu waye ngathi lemic njengoba ngikhala kuba ngathi ngisuka uNkulunkulu ukuthi hayi man akana plan elingcono yabo ngizistop ngihleke kancane ngisihleke ukuthi hayi bengenzani ngizikhuphule ngiphume ngihambe ngiyodlala nabanye abantwana intena kanjalo but then ukukhala kya ku right bangathi hey uyakhala week tap or ngiyabulala
it is what it is only inkinga uzosifonela
yeah
have you ever like started crying and then in the middle of crying so can listen to the about 3 years ago so khala yonke come on nomtanumshi
ngaso sikhathi phela vele wonke umuntu ile wa ejo umuntu uNkulunkulu usebenza ngezinye indlela
yeah
basuka bonke abantu most bengiselele iplaza ngasho impinjo yamsona wonke umuntu distance hayo abantu bayapha egcine ngiyabona ukuthi hayi bula emhlabeni kahle kunjani na bonke umuntu was distance khona insize bengidraya nabi ngithembe blind nayo uyabona mara zo bonke la bonke bayabuya
bayabuya
nawe
uyabavumela
mina sengisilema ngisho obvious ngabona ngiyayifunda ngiyazi phela mina ngazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu bekangibekele okungcono kakhulu ngiyazi ukuthi no the benefits of mine angibekele uNkulunkulu makhulu kabi ngoba kunini idolo lami lize line something la kunini ngithandaza ukuqina
tisha ngithi le injury
danger from praying
praying injury
and engasonti kanje
uhlala edolweni
bengihlala edolweni
shukile abantu abathandazayo abakho serious abana ma injury lelo serious
bebangathandaza nakaze kozubinto othandaza ekhala ukuthi
hayi sengina something limnyama nalo
makala iwarini le ukuthi omunye bekangena endlini ashaya ama7 colors makabuye ukuthola ubizwe
ekhaya. I'm just saying as a family member that's crazy. I understand what you think.
But it's true having relatives in the family.
It hurts. It will cripple you.
Sakhuluma ngezicycle time. Mina umndeni bad experience.
Also wait, ibackroom le umakhriza cousins it was already your time aside.
Time aside.
What was time aside?
Time akuhlala yeah. Time hlala nemedi yakhe Boxback. So unake imedi yakhe kakhulu.
Nalabantwana
abakhona bemedi yangithola. Mara makakhona uyakhona ukuthi mara sometimes akakhona yabo because kuningi nanye understand nje out. Iphupho le out wenzani ukushada uba nemedi ube nabantwana nemoto nefamily. Yangithola and then khona ama mistake owayenzile usakhona thina la.
Maye wena
no bro honestly. But they feel like you're a mistake. That's why
when you're not taking care of like fully
being real.
Yeah.
Intena kanjalo. Khona ne family le olidi. Mina inkinga one thing about me. Wathi ngazitshela ukuthi nabona kude. Ake ungenzele next in the future ngisho nanoma ngatawula kanjani. Ngiyakuyeka mina.
Yeah.
Yabona mangibona ukuthi okay si close. Let's say ke yonke into iyashawalana. Usazoba khona ngiyazibuza leyo nto about wena mina mo close nami.
Yeah, that's true.
Ngiyazibuza mangibona ukuthi uyabona wena ngeke like mazuko like bad ngizobaleka ngiyajama ngeke ngisaphinde ngibuye ku enalapha ngahlala lapha kwiside le olady futhi bengicabane netime kanjani ngizayi ngiya kwiside le olady ethu ngitshela ukuthi bonke lo muntu walapha bebangitshela ukuthi hey ngifuna grade 10 dog anje ukuthi imali yokudla funeka imali yokudla manje
mina
Lapha grade 10.
itime ngeke alizingeni lapho nga grade 10 ifamily olady yabo olady alisekho ngiza noma mina ngizoba comfortable lapha yabo olady family yakhe ukudla hayibo sekutsheleeni yabona as flex kanje lento le yokudla le it's a serious thing contribution yeah when it comes to food nani inkinga ngizokutshela abaningi bangavumelana nami inkinga plus manginamzali ukuthi angazi kanjani mara like kumele ucontribute njani ngisho nalo mzali wakho if ukhona nawe uyazi ukuthi kumele uyo if
uyo contribute la kahle imali
Ifakekho
dabe kangekho bangitshela straight hey sekushort igas manje nawe uhleli la udla kakhulu senza
lapho lapho
ngifila indoda mos ngafila ngathi no mhlambe
umliphathi
umuntu ukhula makafika grade 10 ngike ngazitshela
very mentally get there
ugadla makafika grade 10 mhlambe vele
this is how it is into yenzakalale
bangilanda one by one yazi umuntu akutshele politely ukuthi ngicabangani akakubukisi ngabantu lo muntu userious ubombheke like lo
ukhuluma into ejiniyo
ufuna ukuthi uhambe hayibo hambe okay wahamba ayingilandi intwana yamangu yabo ngiyachesta nami sengiyadefa lapha obviously
bekakuxosha anyway
politely kamnandi
ufuna wena usicabanga utama
kahle understand ukuthi umuntu uyajoke worry
ukhuluma nawe kahle like mfethu uyabona the way situation yakhona manje
kamele uhambe ngizanga next yabo okay I feel and bangilanda abantu abayi3 abangilanda same household isilungu
ngabukakho kababakho
olady
ngiyangithola ngiyi lapha ngabona okay ngilanda ukuqala uma mncane ayifaya boy kanje hawu ngazi ke manje ngilandwa cousin yangitshela hey boy yazini wena kumele uvaye la sikusekini la kanjani yabo okay amna uyazi uyicousin engingitshele ngento zabantu abadala ukuthi wena bakulo unasalingana
same thing
okay anami doesn't kan angivaye la
uthi uyajoka futhi cousin
akajoki just nami I'm standing on
my cousin yahlanya ngizongitshela into leyo
uthi nawe kusekhaya
hayi nama azakhe ngaba nalo ikhaya ngizolenza lami ikhaya ngathi that's why ngithi ngikhulele yonke indawo ngikhuliswa wonke umuntu nakhona ukuze ngikhuliswe abanye abantu it's because ukuba bami bekakhona ukuthi abasendele imali hayi because bebangithanda nani bebabesendele imali bebajabuliswa wonke like abantu ngendlela mabazo okay uzosenda imali mabaze bazohlala nami abeze yabo uyazi ukuthi akuzosenda imali nani engathi ngibalekela kumagogo after le cousin le cousin ngisuusile yathi wena mangahambi la hey uzobona ukuthi ngizokwenza
omunye lo
cousin umuntu weku2
manje lo was3 uba
uzwa ke mina ngithemba umagogo ngitawa umagogo uzoyilama yangizwa hayi kumagogo phela sekwenzeka kanje labantu sebangilandile boyi2 bathi ngihambe hayi mfethu kungaphezulu kwamandla wami hayibo
sebamskopile vele
angazi
samhlalise phansi bomchazela ukuthi
kanti umntwana lo phela manje umthwalo
yabo ngangasho ukuthi no lo le cousin le ngithembisile ukuthi ngizohamba no matter what nizolenza iplan ngabona ukuthi engathi mangibuye esikolweni vele ngafika ngathatha ngaza neblaya ngathatha impahla zami ngahamba ngithola ngavasi imtime
bani le blaya yakho
iplaya yami ngifunda naye nje yaphazamiseke ekhanda naye akukho mnandi
mara yona wayichazela
bekuyiplaya menye inswempu blind enye bekumele ibe inswempu ndaba zemali because besesesikolweni ishayinyuku blind thengisa amasweet like amasweetini yathi mayiceda ukuvaya kuskill nami ngabe sengithengisa amasweet
business minded
beyinswempu futhi beyisigora kangaka nami nomzimba omncane bengeke ungishaye ngisasenaleya yathi mayiceda ukuhamba bangihlupha labantu
sebakudelesha
Ibilapho bese icalile ipayment ozayo mara manje ngibonile ngisahlangane naye siyabuya nyana seyikile ukuphazamiseka yangibambisa impahla ngavala ngabagcina lapho and mina wathi ngafuna akhuleka nje ngafuna ukuthi
wagcina lapho vele wavaya sometime uvane ephaya yakho
njengoba
waya kwaBra yakho vele
azange ngikaBrian ngaya eBarcelona khona indawo bathi Barcelona ngale
kuba icaba kuba
ku step oledi step oledi ngisho ukuthi umuntu bekadrana time
dala
yeah
ex mine
yes manje yabo ngayiwinda la ngawayindeka good
time abelikhona lapha at the time
belingahlali lapho time lami vele yayi belingahlali lapho time lami sihlale eBoxburg lamba
wena akaze wahlala eBoxburg
akaze wahlala naye kahle
ngitsena ngiye kuphi nini le 2 weeks back Friday eBoxburg ngalahlekelwa ifoni angisabuyile
ibhadi
walahlekelwa ifoni eBoxburg
abaphansi bakutshela ungayina unani unomjita naye
Thandla akazwani ne-time umuntu ogaya indlala.
uyaphi la ngakutshela ukuthi ungayini
umuntu akafuni uyabona stay away
intena kanjalo manje bengikubona
yabo ku-oledi baya ku-oledi
eBarcelona nje lapha kahlaleka good people amazulu ilaba ngifaka khona kwisizulu ngangena shici kwisizulu sitholakala nami
uma bena bekafostara
bekumuntu ogrem yabo yathi hayi umuntu bekangifostara kakhulu magogo sekawashona umagogo not biologically
magogo wawo step oledi
ayena 100
so in a way besikayenzela naye udayi phela u-oledi lambili imncane lo mfana nathi ngimnakekele
magogo
lo step oledi
yena vele no man besingekho la ubeka umuntu nje ogrand yamthwala not kanga mina ngikhala ngomagogo umama wakhe khulileka khulileka lo magogo uyayile asinamba lo yathula
nomuntu vele
mina bekangifrustana bengisingisaqala ukuvakasha lapha ngingakahlali akayenzelana ukudla mara uma kufike mina uzomthola sekatatazela
manyaka ujile
ukhuluma isulu
uhlile
la i-cold drink yakhe bengayisherwa nabantu mara mina ngiyiphuza nayo i-cold drink yakhe because bekanesifo seshukela so like yaphuza i-cold drink kakhulu omunye umuntu bekangayishare i-cold drink kamagogo mina bengishare naye besiyiphuza isikholavati bekasibiza ngesikholavati inyuku inyuku mfana akusicwela abantwana singaka mteki
wena uyazi number 1
like ukudlula izukulu zamampela understand angazi ukuthi yazi why okay nayo lento yabogogo le ile abogogo abantu abadala bafuna ukuthi ubaphe indlela ngisho sebabhorekile manje bahlala endlini nana isekho le sebabhorekile yabona mololo kumuphi indlebe na ukukhuluma naye yabo like wangishayela lapho uyabona since from lapho mina benkera mina umuntu angakheri lapha yana benkera
obajuthile
bengithi mangiceda ukuphuma nomnyango ikamera lakhe ngale ngimthola sekavile efestereni uveza uyayikhipha le mali ngobutsotsi anginika ukuthi ngajambiseli umuntu just kanjalo ngikera mina kahle ingathi futhi bekusemcondweni wakhe ukuthi hayi yabo just nje bekumele uNkulunkulu amgcine lo amagogo nje nami ngimbonisa ukuthi I'm thank you
so ukunakekela like for how long
ngile ngavaya lapha yabona ngayihlala la ngihlala khona lapha eRomini so
nawuhlala khona manje
okay lapha mangifika mangihlala la ngihlala khona manje mangifika izinto beziright you understand noma antiza isihlala yongithola kahle because angisho itime ngathini at that time belsa khona ukuthi bambani nayi imali engaka for the food isichibo belikhona elithema seliqala lingakhoni ngoba iflop semanje yabo sekumele siphume
sibuyele emuva ke
yabo ni time again nami labuya njengoba beli labuya la nami la ngijikela lapha empantshini mfiki yabo manje like nalapho kunamakhazini lawa amakhazini lawa ayisho newangibhora kahle like no like nekungibhora like
honestly
I will say honestly noma bangabona lento bebangidina yazi thi ngukutshela another thing
bayenzani bathe
don't compromise angisho thina sizi nokudla ngifana bekuyimi bani nentwana yami yeah okay business intwana mbinga kahlali lapha yona ize after
yeah
angithola bekuyinto ukuthi mfethu nawe wena la uframa Russian nentwana frama Russian ama Russian wakho angazi lama Russian aphuma but nina nidla nodwa ama Russian
phambi kwakho
mfethu mele ngishaya umdoko mina sengisho nangikhali mina mangokwami okay okwami mina I love my own ngisho nanoma kuncane kanjani okwami yes I'm standing on business okwami nanoma kungabi uyangithola ngishaya ama Russian nana mina ngifuna ukushaya umdoko banokumbangisa hayi mfethu akwazi ukuthi ushaya umdoko yabo lo ucede impuphu hawu mfethu into emele ngiyidle manje khona kunasinkwa ngisho like masithenge isinkwa nini sifake emakamereni nani
hawu bafake
emakamereni from like
abantu baphila ngathi basereze
lapho bengingakafiki impantshini bengisahlala the reason like ngeke ngibuyele kuwis because ivele from hayi ukuthi mabacabana ukuthi asikhipha ngaphandle inkinga calela from dala
like ama small things abazenzayo babehave ngakhona like izinto ezincane ziyabonisa udala abazishaya
yeah mfana nokuthi inkulumonyane ezisnacks njalo emeli uzithole estradini yabona mfana ukuthi hey jambo liphindile le brook
yeah
ulithola endlini awubayazi ukuthi awunalo ihinya ngisho awunawo amanye amabhruku yazi ukuthi angisho impahla zakho mozinekile sishaya itrati liwani yeah ziphelele washo wardrobe yonke nami bayakena endlini mele bakena mina ngabagceke bayakena ukuthi kanjani inkulumo ezina kanjalo mele ngitshelwe yini ukuthi wena unigcokele ibhruku lakho leli uyangithola mina bengizidla endlini
Amakazi wakho la.
Uzidla endlini ngoba no estradini.
Uzidla endlini mina ngathi
That's why kahle
estradini ngeke nibuye sengistrong ngabe estradini ungangitshela enye into ngithi
if vele endlini bacedile nqa amaphuma
sewujwayela nani okay kwafika isikhathi ukuthi hayi sesi hayi ngoba ngabe hayi bebora nje bekudina nje
kahle njengoba uthi ukhuliswe wonke umuntu imake sense inewe yokuthi endlini bona kancane most of the time bohlezi outside
endlini ne uyabona la ngihlala khona ayisho uNkulunkulu akezwe idolo lami selibhlungu jo like mina before imoto nana ngiyabona ama pressure weimoto mina ngifuna indlu
first
thing ngifuna indlu just nje stable home kahle ngisho kanjalo because endlini lapha endlini mina ngihlala nase angeke ukuthi ngithi ngisekhaya ntwana ungithole ngisendlini sempatshini mfethu ngiserumini mina futhi erumini ngaqala ukuhlala kungakabi nombhedo kusasene sofa kuphela ngakasathulekile ngana next kusasene sofa kuphela ngaqala ukujwayeza ukuthi because labantu like yazi umuntu okukhathazayo njalo ngisho nalo ungase umuntu ochestayo mara lo muntu lo uyakhona lo ngishakela ukuthi ulekha kuphi kena ama weaknesses wakho kena yonke uhlala nawe yangithola yambona ukuthi lo muntu lo uyangikhathaza njalo mangi like ukhuluma naye yena like yabo
yakwatisa uyakwazi amaphathi
ngithola ngabona nokuthi ngihlale la erumini from very sihlalile erumini naye ngithole ngihleli anginathi lapha angeke ngithole ngibukela iTV Mzansi for sure angisakwazi ukuthi usesekhona Mzansi
ikhona
so Netflix boy chip Netflix
ngiyadala lezinto lezo
angabangazi isesekhona
I feel like still there generation sekhona ta generation sekhona ta
sekhona neskim sa
bafethu
mina TV mina kaze kayinganye iTV lechuka noma ikhona
ngana phone
angibukeli
phela ne content mina ngiqala ngefoni yentwana yami manje njengoba ilahleka le phone elahlekile ilahleke ifoni yentwana yami ilahlekile njengoba ngithi 2 weeks back ngilahle ifoni yentwana yami bengasifoni yami mina content ngiqala nje ngiyazi ukuthi ayimi lo yabo ngingana phone
intwana yami ngoleke lapho ngishuke
angoleke yabo intwana mbe understand intwana ukuthi yini ukunderstand anyana
ikheche fast kahle khule fast
intwana lentwana le yalalela yakholelwa kimvela ngithola bengayifuni ukuthi abangafana record and futhi mase ngiyekile khona there was a time phela kube mina dala kube ngikule kulesimo lesi mhlambi boma April yabo because ngayeka ngagcina ngagcina boma Jan or Feb upost because ngizoposta recently bengasekho mnandi player bengasekho into ehlekisayo ndoda yonke into nje yanyanyisa yonke into like ukhumbula ibruku ladabuka Siyabheka khona amabruku ayifonyana nje ayi3nyana uyalikhumula leli ladabuka qho sozujwayela usena stress ayi lidabuka layisuka uthatha uphonsa leyo yabo engaseke into ehlekisayo and mina mangisha ama post wami lawo ama200 views bekuyizinto ezihlekisayo yabo bengasekho into efani nje at all bese ngiserious ngenye indlela mara ngithe mangithi ngiya accept ukuthi okay yazi nesimo sesinje manje ayikho into engayishintsha ngalesimo lezi sizosishintshela mina ngibhene edolweni ngawuya ngaba right emoyeni ngashayela ama video njengoba manje azivela ama videos ayazibhlumela it's because nga accept ukuthi okay kuso
uvumile nje
yes uvuma nje kusintebha
kumele accept nje maqedwe wenza into yenzayo
so accept ukuthi mani isimo ngitshela yabona nawo sebunyameni ngitshele mina yabona like umnyama like ufila ngathi yonke into ihlangana umnyama too kuyabheda left and right ubuvele kene ukuthi yabona ke jonga umnyama kuzokhanya
bathi
it's a sign
bathini mase kumnyama kakhulu ila kuseduze nokukhanya
mina ngicene inkinga bese ngithi abengasena umsebenzi nje mangene another problem another problem
it's another day
vele iziningi
mina ngiyakhola bo uNkulunkulu uyaphila ngingakhola uNkulunkulu kuhlanga lento le
do you go to church?
Mixed churches here because nina nihamba lesontweni lapho nangisho ni it's a rule niyenza ngathi umthetho kumele ayikuthi niyenza ngikuthanda kwini kumele ukhule kusontwa
ngiyini amaphasi
uyazi ngeBhayibheli
and then you get down
siyayibhujisa bakho umfundisi no usho kanjani usayibhujisa usho njalo
nasazi
uthi kunjalo tushota ngawo allegedly
I'm proud ngayo yabo usheshwe
uthi bekahamba aphume ayenzi whatever yenza empilweni mase kuyiwa kuye ekhaya wanthandazela bese aphinda buyela
that's crazy business for me bra that's crazy business for me bra
allegedly
to what's crazy
after everything God is forgiving God is forgiving
guys but God is forgiving ahlekisi
no I have been our mother was always there to like let's pray about it
hey mina understand yazi mina konke ngicabanga neta nje angifuni ukuyisho ngoba
that's cancel
kamusari bya ngiyangithenga afuneki
kamusari bya bakhansela ngalite
badlala mbona sekapha
elamzansi abadlali but it's bad they make you to break you.
I feel like honestly, we should have a platform to speak about these things. But
like
ushilo naye nangike ngamjamba kulinye side amara serious usekhona nathi today ngake ngamjamba lapha kulela site I think ngiyazi ukuthi ukhuluma
ngisazi sites next
mina ngiyalazi
nathina silazi
ngilisho
bayazi bo
abantu bafuna ukwazi
angeke
yatshela abantu abazi noma ngazi
ingathi ukujamba kulela site okay
Maratana, you're right by saying Guti, like church is in the heart, because I believe Guti, if you go to church without really believing, Guti, you go into church to go pray and actually give yourself to God. I feel like you just go in, they find out what you are atheist because umngane ukuthi tanga sambe siyobukela
Yeah, awuziyelanga. Yeah.
Noma bangakori Chiefs ngeke ube passionate bakori the Chiefs thina la bakori Chiefs siyakhala da wenzani lo muntu
Every pass nje uyakhala. Awukwazi ukupheka
Kona abantu banokuthandaza ngathi must. Ungathandaza ngathi must ukuthi uthandaza ngoba usothandazela ukuthi hey kudlule ngasengithandaza inhliziyo.
Thandaza 30 seconds.
Awuthunywana kahle emthandazweni. Ngeke bakuthumele bathamba uthandaza. Kumele kube nenhliziyo yakho.
Ufune nawe.
Fana ukuthi tanga you praying with people that actually pray. Like I have this one aunt who prays every time. Like you're getting December, like
consistent.
Yeah, like get it you until before the cricket and stuff like that. You pray and then you puma. Mesana tanga no muntu so share for 15 minutes prayer tanga. Yabona umuntu lo tanga mfethu.
Tanga praying is like a spiritual thing. It's like ungayiqala in a way ukuthi I just want to pray. But then the moment we feel not just praying like ngokhuluma. So we feel spiritually like everything you say awusayisho ngoba like uyicabanga ukuthi uzoyisho. Say iphuma naturally.
Exactly. Because zothanda isikhathi ongaplananga. Because like now you're just giving yourself.
Ngiyafuna leso skill. Yeah, ngiyasifuna leso ukuthi uthanda mina umthandazo wami very short and very
simple, straight to the point.
Uthi uthanda
hawu uNkulunkulu ngeke ngiyabonga ngisho ngibonga lokho okuncane angiphe kona. Appreciate. Akukho okuncane futhi yabona kukhulu
because ngekho before.
Yeah, abanye abanabo.
Yeah.
I have a shelter. Wow, khona olele le uyagodola. I have a shelter mina. Ibonga lokho
ngizwa kungekho mnandi kungekho comfortable kuleso space mara just cause uda.
Yabona wazokhala appreciate into zakho lezo nazo. Akutshela siyakhula. Like why ukhala inkinga ukhala.
Yeah, wanting something for yourself is nice.
Mang ngiyasikalela lesikipa semanje. Sengihlezi ngikhalela into zakhe yabo. La ngiyasifuna lesikipa si-on yabo.
No, you know what you just said ngiyangikhumbuza fethu like black people you know how we are that. Angazi what it is like program fethu because if I ask you angamusu yo ngingazale into uthole eva ngithola. Now it's sort of a thing where it's about we're beefing now. It's not even like I like it and I want it for myself. When you're like I want to be the only one wearing this. Why can't we be sharing as black people? For an span, even if I have a job opportunity, I won't give it to you. I'll give it to another guy that I don't know. I'll give that information. Why are we like that, man?
Ba complain ngaloko abantu ukuthi wathi ngakufaka esipanini sami sofuna ukwenza kangcono ukudlula mina. How yey wena? Ngiyakuletha la esipanini sofuna paper kangcono manje.
Bayi kenzeni?
Ngithe relax now. So promotion sami. Nami ngibhekile le promotion bamba umoya ngisho wena ngamla. Inike mina. Ivuma la ukuthi
umuntu sekwatela ukuthi uhlekisana nemanager tangumshanga amajoke lo lifa yahlanya lentona ngefrostar pusi siyabeef wani ngasakhulumisana no lifa yabora
mara maybe that's why abantu abaclose now most of the time bangakufaka ebhanini nani especially if they like you they rather bafake umuntu abangamjwayelanga bamazi kuphela.
They know with the manager probably not like this person to that point.
Kanti kenzakalani nti le ukuthi singafuna ukufaka asifuna ukufakana vele.
Asifakane esipanini boy.
Maybe that's why you know like you said moke nomuntu you know ukuthi nomuntu lo tangungcono nakimi in every aspect. Momfaka uzoyithatha in position there.
Umenza even more than.
Uyoyithatha definitely.
But then what's wrong with that? It's like
there's nothing wrong with
it's life. Some
i-CV ngihambisile umsebenzi ngiyabona ukuthi angizisho ayisama CV ngihambisile.
Khona la uthi buyo landa i-CV yakho bheki.
Bese ngikwatile lapho mfethu baloku batshela ukuthi njalo khona umsebenzi kanje kunini ngiyaprintisa ama-CV nje amayikho imali ukuloku ukuprintisa imali mfethu ukuprintisa ama-CV
sengicabangile bengithi ngiyo-apply umtshela lo sisi lo azi nomrholo wabo ungaholi 1 month ebalulekile
ithi lapha esipanini nonke manje ngaholanga imante nizoba right and you know when you say relatability to your jokes like that's real.
Yeah.
Khona le like ethini ithi ngivayile la le othi lengi Ngimboleka ibhuku ngahamba ngiyipisa la ngilingana. Ayisakhala busizobuyisa
Tanga yikho le station.
ngabethi sizolibuyisa lebhuku.
Bese ke ama comments. Tanga yikho tanga nginciphisa ibhuku lami. Lingana mina tanga wena uthanda la kutanga.
Wena like niyaliboleka le bhuku kuwe njalo uthe ukuthi uzogcoka ibhuku elingaka
Ayo elamba lingana mina tanga.
lizobuya
Uzobuya ukuthi mina ngigqoke ibhuku elikhulu.
I thought, but like that was for me. I wanted to comment. I want to see what people are saying. That's like,
Comment ngilahela.
that makes sense because
Yeah.
the link I mean in a specific way. When you tell food because of the way I'm wearing it, sharp. Based on the
expect ukuthi manje nami
ulboleka every week shukuthi mina nawe sishinjana milibuya kimi ngiyalivula miliya kuye siyalivala milibuya angeke baba angeke
angisho awusekreni
So kumele angasiba mawutsakreni.
kahle mele kube ube awusekreni
Yeah.
ungayile bro
Yeah. Makavele that's the thing. Tanga kumele uvulele umuntu umnyango ukuthi nezakhe indlela zizovuleka. Mfaka umuntu esipanini.
kahle
if that's fucking just even family members as abantu bakufela as family members tanga there's a
Very family.
there's a mukhuluma ngefamily tanga
Family kunama relatives.
like
khona le ngoma khona le ngoma ka ethi baqinisile bathi umndeni uzothola endleleni. That's true.
uyabona khona le nto ethi uyabona as you get older we understand ukuthi that one uncle ohlezi azibekele
the one they don't like it's the one they don't like because yena izokutshela iqiniso hayi ntwana manje
and uyabona
Angitshela ivanga.
actually va
Noma mina kuhlala nawe uyi-1 ikutshele kahle ivanga kuzokutshela ivanga. Mfana wami uyabona iwatwatwatwa.
ungayenzi le
Ungayenzi hayi le mpilweni kumele ucalculate uzibheke yabo.
into efana naleyo
Yakutshela ivanga. Maka ngoba at that moment uyincosi intwana ucabanga nini. Yabo most of the time kuba ilezi eziphuzayo futhi.
no tanga you see alcohol I used to think alcohol never lies, bro.
Yeah.
Alcohol doesn't lie. All those people that are drunk and they are telling you something, bro.
Futhi advice.
Advice wise.
Yeah.
Hala bafuna ukutshela.
Yeah, just bekumele atholela amandla ukutshela.
Even who hates tanga usanokutshela into about you tanga ngathi ntwana yamazi. Hey, ngifuna ukutshela something man. Mara it's ukutshela. When black people unomona lo muntu. Hayi mfethu userious umuntu tanga alcohol doesn't lie. I tanga asinama singa argue when siso asingashaya majuku. Mara mistrand ngiyobelieve. Ayafana bakuchithela.
yeah
You can't just say that. You just have information there tanga. Bangichithela. Kanjani?
Iza kanjalo wathwala bawujela.
What's all about jail? When you're what? Let me tell you why lo muntu asho
Dala imobile.
why lo muntu enzeki why lo muntu athi ba hayi man hayi heta ngifanele why uthi bangijela tata
elaborate ndoda
elaborate iqiniso tanga alcohol wise they'll tell you the truth why and it's nice and as I had this one time this drunk uncle of mine I was talking about families and stuff like that with see families only appreciate you more when you're the rich person in the family.
Yeah.
And that guy was like, just because me now I don't flex my wealth to you, you belittle me. But honestly, he was drunk as bro. I have 2 million in my account now, but I'm not gonna tell you because I already seen your true colors with Nina. You only appreciate people with the money in the family, and I don't want to be part of that.
ngeke kushintshe
Ngeke kushintshe.
sibantu abamnyama
So
awunemali ila bazokuthatha serious khona umndeni mawungena next uyilento useless nje ihluphayo bangicefe wena nanya sin bread banani lapho
La family meeting abafundi.
awubiza nokubiza
Wena uzwa sebuya kwenzakala besine meeting na ngingawani.
ngala nomshado nodala laba ngala mali ba great ama onion ngale ba busy when I'm on the money of them, depends on power. Yo, kupela 6. But then let's say la fast, the 6 layer. Tanga so like fethu tangazi ngeke sichite bafethu.
Angeke sisho.
And they keep saying our generation is supposed to change like future what? Fethu future man.
But where's yonke into nje
Kuba west. Ngoba senza ama 2K.
Yeah,
I'm going to ass feed the sham.
Setting engazi mele senzeni. Nalento ukuthi sami sokhetha abafazi emakhaya kuyinkinga because sibathatha sibalethe ngapha badakwe ama robot lights bacheat nabo basemakhaya.
No, Tanga, I feel like we want to see CJ. I mean, I doubt any one of us is gonna get married.
Aye, boy.
I doubt. Not because of you, ne? Because if you find the right person, bro. If you find the right person, usually, typically, whoever you're dating, I'm saying, you should expose yourself in 2-3 years.
Oh, when you believe no chero on Jolana,
I'm Jolie.
This Prada. Why are you not dating? Why are you not dating?
I'm
Sure, what's in your channel? I'm not some podcast. I'm going some call.
Why are you not Jolie?
Guys, I'm Jolie.
Wow, Joe.
We am not so explained. I'm Jolie. Me, Jolie.
My sister back pig.
Hey guys, who go come where we bugel the show, ne?
It was like now me with the person that.
But wait, do you think are you like?
Yeah.
Like are you?
When I'm
like are you now supposed to be doing adult things because you're 26?
15 years old, have baby.
I go. No, my Chinese I'm let's say, and I'm 26 at that time. Am I not supposed to play?
Play what?
Go out, enjoy life. I don't have a kid. I don't have responsibilities.
So are we saying with you having a child is you saying now I'm responsible? No?
Yeah, chief, you have someone to take care of. That person relies on you to eat.
What makes you?
Yeah, but then at that time now you're an adult. You are no longer a kid now, like.
Yeah, me adults. I'm sure as long as I write ngama pampas. Now I'm right ngama tree.
Yeah,
But let's say it's a responsible parent. Now you be parent, but what makes you a responsible parent? What makes you a responsible parent? Support, emotionally or casual.
Supporting uchele imali. Cash content, imali support chance.
You can support. Emotionally.
Who's overwriting? Hey, who's overwriting?
Yeah, Jaya, who's overgrand?
Play am him mehluko yenzile yonke leyo nto le.
Ukena ukuthi ngiphethe uzobagrand.
Wow.
No, maratana. At the same time.
Play am cha. Uzobagrand. Uyabona nami.
Bangabayekela sometimes utshela umuntu onganayo na imali utshela wena ukuthi nawo uzobagrand. Maya ngeke umthathe serious ngoba yena akanayo.
Uzobagrand kanjani manginikeza imali?
Ngithula wena.
No, emotional support ibalulekile gents. Nisho kanje manje ngoba ninamali. Mara bozoba nemali eningi. Uyarealize ukuthi uyamdinga nomuntu la
Mangizoba nemali. I don't think mina khona abantu bathi baphathwa ama depression bani izumbulu zamarandi. Bahlala.
Guys, I'm sorry. A millionaire in a depression.
How appreciate
Yazi Mr. Beast wathi the bigger you get, the crazier you get, and the crazier you get, it's the more depressed you get. Mara abantu angeke bayibone la because you keep delivering on this part.
Okay. Nami ngifuna ukuba
but the more money, more problems.
Ngifuna zonke lezo inkinga.
For me, it goes back to like who you with and your circle. As abangani the important part of your life, bro.
Small kakhulu.
Besides that, the small ideas, it's more efficient. But those people must be your support system and be honest to you. Like if you're flop, I'm gonna courageous enough with etang I found now we are flop up.
Yeah.
Those people must guide you in
must
the way.
be honest.
They must be. Yabona tang if you have abangani bazo glaze tang like ay tang winja tang yenza. Unamasimba tang yenza tang. No awuyakujayela lo mshaya simshaya. Abakutsheni next abantu. Fit sisibadala uyaloma mina ngeke ngisakushaya mina ngishaya ngiyale police station ngiyadodify. Namulifa selokho yangishaya bafika.
Kona ngipla yami. Yangitshela ukuthi ngiyeke i-content.
Khona yakutshela.
Yeah, la yami.
Yeah.
Bengiza ngiringa ngizoringa. Yeah. Le out yami le ngifike sekulate, ifike sawa trend ama video wami.
Ikutshela sewa trend.
Inje sekulate, ifike yabona if beyifike before a trend. Kube mina ngiyenza i-content eningi. Because ifike yangibulala spirit lapha, iba like echo. Maye yini ngawo manje ke yini ngathi uyasika. Awukwenza manje la yami. Lapha yana ukuthi kuthiwa bangitext abantwana bangibuza ukuthi khambani ngawe manje ngithi is it a bad thing uthi iyada uyaplasa manje
Yaplasa.
ya uyaplasa manje
Yeah, uplasile.
athi yangiphila spirits le yami ngabona ukuthi yo
Boshaya.
yazi bese ngiqalile phela ngene ngaba ona lento ukuthi nje amututsa yabo just ukututsa ezinye izinto ngiyenzile right ngizami ngisayifakile iweek ngona
Shama skits.
yeah ngiyangizwa ngisho wena ugcine lapho ukubona lo ma video
That's why bekathi uplasile.
yeah ngiplasile nani kanti akasazi ukuthi yena hey ngamtshela ukuthi no plan mina iya ukuthi kuthokhe yami ungitshela ukuthi kubo bonke labantu ungitshele labantwana bakho ukuthi bayingakhi kubo bonke labantu abathi ngiqhubeke wena labantwana ungitshela ngabo ukuthi bathi ngiyaplasa bayingakhi angizwa yahamba yalapha ku
And then nayo maybe I told because lo muntu uthi uplasile usho in a good way moyicabanga. Hayi ntwana yahla. Fana umuntu athi ayibo yahlaya. I compliment like uya enjoy lento yenza.
yeah yena ke wangitshela straight uyaplasa bekumele ngenzeni vele before bekumele ngishaye live ngiplase wes uyangizwa ethi ngaphela ispirit intwana yami ngitshela zayo wena ungazulalela lo uyahlala shale live uyangizwa bekumele ngishaye live bengithi ngiyayishaya ya text out yami nami ngiyayiphendula ngithi awuthi ngiphendule before ngishale live yongitshela engathi angisayishaye live angitshela le yama yahlanya boy
Circle of friends.
Yeah. So what doors have opened so far since waqala ukutrend and everything like imaphi ama opportunities ongathuringa ngawo bona yeah la something like ngiyafila
ama opportunity ne
His name.
We are drinking cold drink in the flags. This
guys I'm selling ne awakhe ngithi sicabangani la
infinite la so besenzile like design enhle we are selling malini 130 yibo bazobe bathengisa marketer and then as a financial advisor I'll keep the money 130
yeah nizwile guys mus nenze njani
accounting is space
khona ubhale le yami igcwele guys nithumeleni kweyami yeah
It's like 10 minutes space.
yeah wahlobisanga la macup la niyabona nani
It's advertisement.
yeah
yaphela nalento yamazo
No, you are still explaining the doors that have opened for you.
yeah saying there's a lot
the doors ne inkinga manje the doors you must not speak about the doors until they open
Yeah,
I'm saying things I have already happened.
Yeah.
What have you experienced so good? Yeah. What's the good that you've experienced from trending so far?
Cabanga mina nginodosi sihleli kanje
Ngoshamla.
Nginodosi hamba sa event yakhe first time ngabona ukuthi udosi uperforma kamnandi
Primo.
bengino primo okay yeah bengino primo
Abu.
bengiphethe nabajita bo smile uyabona ngikhonile uphatha nabajita bo smile kahle man yabo man
As a shoot.
yeah sa shoot
Promoter na restaurant.
yayibona ke ngidla mahala
Ay, The customer is always right.
Abaphikisa i-customer.
Ithi the customer is always right. Ngeke ngabaphikisa i-customer.
Ngiyasho ukuthi no yazi indaba ya njengoba bathi ngidla imali kanje phela imali yangijabulisa. So kwenza into right kakhulu ngiphi imali nami ngizokhipha inyawo ngizofoster. Nanoma i-apple angingenalo mara ngizowenza sure ukuthi okay.
Awuthaba iPhone wathi kumele agaya apula naye.
Ngikona lo ngipromote lawo ama-iPhone.
Yeah. Kumele kuphi apula.
Angeke bangiphe lapha bazoloku bathi promote kuphela banginike isithuba.
Cha bazokuba khuluma nabo man.
Ngipheni iPhone. No mabangiphe.
Batshela ukuthi ukaba ngizenzana iPhone.
Ngicabanga ukuthi bangiphe iPhone nami ngizobapha quality.
Yeah.
Kuba kai izinto ezinye ezimassive because I have so many ideas manje zobayifuna ngisho kanjalo because ngicela umuntu echo wangirecordise kanjani yabo umuntu unokungathandi.
Some days akekho emudini.
Yeah nami yona wayengathi ngifuna usengicabangile ukuthi.
It's all about keeping it real empilweni mfethu. Uzokhula, that's the truth.
Yeah.
As long as
mangishaya ipromo yomuntu angeke ngishaya ipromo yakho njami kube ngathi sesishumile.
yeah.
Bona ngale phone engisebenzisayo kube lezi zinto engizikhulumayo ngazishaya zona ngimind anytime anything. Mara okay uthi ngipromote irakha yakho lapho. And then mina ngishaya le phone yami le kuba ngathi dala sesimbashile lesikipa offices. Ngifuna ukuthi ngishaye ngala mafoni quality izovela kahle nawe
ujabule.
Angishaya le promo ungishaya kahle.
Yeah.
Vulekenye.
True.
Uyangizwa nawe uyabona ukuthi hayi uyishayile le awuthi nami ngimbiza zongishayela le yabo kanjani. That's why ngithi hayi ngiboleke and ke mina ngisaba ukucela bangafuni onto another one.
Yeah. So then like what are the benefits of besides the engagement and everything, Mosha promo no primo no toss. Besides the benefits of event, the free tickets and everything, and Namanamba, obviously you grow as a content creator, associated with those. Like, what are the other benefits you get?
Nothing.
Okay, let me ask, are they paying?
House.
Yeah.
They are paying.
House.
Yeah,
it's a house. House.
Yeah.
It's the house. The house.
Yeah. Give me that. See you. Lapi comment section katos inja. Niye comment section katos. Ichere akikhona lapha.
Hayi boy.
Hey.
Yeah, shola ukuthi ngasibamba lesifuba. Ichere yakho lo ungakhona.
Nami sifuma.
Hey, comment section katos. Hayi baba.
Mara they compensate.
Abachita. Laba zale ya promo.
Yeah,
No, like anything. Just do they call you and say if I'm not
Obviously, they have to.
Abubani kahle.
Utos.
abathintana bababizile lapha.
Bengasina imaster. Yangisola ya uprimo obvious.
Nami mangabizwa izaneke ngithi ngifuna.
Wamanga phela ungibambisa istep ungishiya ngawuphetha. Ubona istep bengisiphethe lapha. Ngokuhlanga ngidinisi nakuyabona awukuniki phela.
Na tutunyana, trinyana.
Na yenza into grand. But bengamelanga. You understand? Bengamelanga nje.
Yeah.
Like
Mara
bebangathatha noma ubani.
Yeah, abathathe wena.
Yabo. And yibo phela baya leader and ayikuthi bebadinga mina ukuthi ividi trend.
bangayenza ini.
Bangayenza nanoma ubani.
So kwaloko ibenefits.
Batshela nokuthi akusahambe ke mall manje awusahambi kahle mall.
And ngihamba kahle. Mangibona ungishuthu.
Singamafele. Singama influencer.
Ngihamba kahle. Last thing seJozi ngiselayini yaseJozi lapha ngiyabona hawo. Ngicabanga ngiyasho ukuthi inkosi yami nale line ayihambi. Yinde. Mimi lapha sengicabangile sekumele ngicabange nabantu manje. Sawucabanga ngiyongena kanjani kule taxi umelayinini.
Ngicabanga ile country yonke wena. Awuzokwazi ucabanga mina
Umsebenzi wakho lo
Ngicabanga ngikho yeah.
Umelayinini.
Ayike indlela phela umelayinini.
And yinde njama into kuhlabe irounda. Batha ngazi zona yini.
Uyabona wena ingcondo ziyahamba nje.
Yeah, ngisho seyikhona ezosebenza.
mara abantu mhlambe basaba nami okay benginayo lento le
Yeah.
kena uhlangane ubone yabo bona umuntu obig usebenzisa le phone uyisebenzisayo ufuna ukushuta ngayo phela ukuba ngathi senashona ufuna ukuthi kube njalo
Lapha kushuta ngamakhamera.
hayi kabi hayi nami ngeke hayi kabi ukuthi baze angithandi funa mina namahlo ngifuna but angeke ngithi ngiyahamba ngiyoshuta mhlambe no cowboy lapha siyashuta
Samsung.
ngale phone yami ayithi ngayisho ukuthi igama ini ngale phone yami kuba ngathi seshonile lapho yabo yabo kufuneka manje ifone kahle ukuthi hayi no ngiyazi ukuthi hayi cela snap naye ayisifila kahle sihelp babona ukuthi abasaphila labantu
ivena ina phone nemobile suke
yabo bayadlula abantu kanti badluliswa ile yonto
Basabuthi sabuthi makuhlolile ngesengicabangile angishuta kamobisele.
hayi mina ngaphoza mina
keep umbajile vele
Sengicabangile lesithombe ngizosifaka lapha ku AI.
bayenza into right lokwenza kanjalo AI
Yeah. Senokusihlinga vele sishaya.
asipolish
Ponish.
no kahle ayisathi ngiki iPhone sesulu AI
So ngishuta ngeSamsung sisifake ku AI.
engathi inswembu engathi usazoshuta ubuso utshele AI awungibeke eParis lapho
Yakubeka.
Yakubeka.
eParis kuba ngathi lapho
Yakubeka.
okay sekusele kancane ukuthi ngishaya ama-video ngisevenda
Evenda lo everywhere.
ya kale venda abajiwa badala
Nikojela. Yeah, but then have you ever experienced like let's say bullying from social media so?
mina njani ngangibhula mina ngiyenye ayithi ngikutshela
Yazi lezi esingana data noma ungasibhula zinanda.
ngizoyibona nini
Akuyibona nini lento le ngoba
yebona for 2 weeks utheni lo
awuyiboni baba mo yazi mongena lapha sothola ama comments ayi phale 99 plus uvela uthi
mina noma ukhuluma into eceleni ngiyalike
yeah
aba ngiyibona ukuthi leyo ukhuluma into ekubheka eceleni ngiyalike
like
like it
impumento
I like everything ubasenkingeni mawungene ku live wafika wangiphaphela ku live yabo ukhululeka ke uzongithola ngikahle ngisho phela mangishaye live mina ngibeka kaso ngifunda ama comments kuphela angi-edi umuntu ngiyi-one yeah ngibhizinani ama comments wena ufika ukhuluma kwakho ngiphezulu kwakho wami wena ngiyokuhlekisa ngabo bonke labantu abalapha
onke le 200 viewers
yeah uzozibaleka
kujubanta ngale bifana leyo Jazz Mr Jazz leya
hayi jezi
nanjani
yeah le
Slow.
yeah ilapha ku live bathi uJazz thiwa ejo ngifuna lo mfana lo man ngazongitshela ngalo mfana lo man athina siyathuka namafan yeah so now you will do that like ngasho ukuthi point to this fan
hayi entertainment
mina ngishaka kamnandi kanjani la ngishaka kamnandi mina ngisha ngendlela yokuthi awuthi ngiyakuphoxa ngikuphoxa kamnandi ngendlela ukuthi omunye umuntu angeke ayithole offensive wongiqalila ngisho
yeah uzovela siteke
ende ngihlalela wena kaso ngokubuza ukuthi yini abazali ba proud ukuthi bazale wena ngiyabona uyazi
igama lakho
lana utype lezi zinto no hamba uye ku Chrome uyosesha le yanto oyithandayo wenze le yanto yakho ulale
bayicata senhleko wena
yabo le bamhleka labantu bamhleka uyabaleka ngifuna futhi kanti ukuphi sengiqala manje sengiyabhoreka ngiyabona ukuthi ukuphendula kahle sekuyangibhora ngifuna lo yabe kangijwayela kahle mina bubi futhi manje
ezingene sifike sikupresse ngamabomu ngoba sifuna usipress
yeah omunye umthola sekathi sorry yabo omunye ifair uyayithanda lento engiyenza but then i-approach yakhe isuke yabheda nami ngiyayibona ngithena ngiyifunda ngiyabona ukuthi lo uyasangana straight ufuna uqobo lwami ngilike uqobo lwami yabo and then usekaqala hayi sorry inana ngitowa no akusinteningi just nje nawe the way uze ngakhona ngibone ngathi uyilapha ya
mara njengoba ubeki account number kubhayi bayithumela imali abantu
yeah bangiblocka ukuthi Capitec because angisho kulo ungenana nemali
Capitec yakublock
yeah
demana why everything na something ingena
khona mfethu abantu
For real?
what's the highest amount
20 rand 30 rand 50 rand 100 you understand like thola like
that's a scam
yeah
So bayivalile.
bayiblockile account leyo
phela eyami except nanoma imali ne-20 rand no-10 rand ushap yabona nawe ungafaka lapha 10 rand anginankinga
Basithanyela abantu
what's the highest amount okuyireceiver before iblock
angazi ukuthi ukuze iblock bebafaka imali khona imali bebayifakile and yakhona imali yele yangena lapha
kahle ibalance yakwazi ukuyicheck
akwazi bayithathile nale yamali it's fine
bathathe yonke imali ku-account
bayifrizile
bayawuyanga kubranch ngayo bakushayela ama-investigation case number
abangana ne-case number ke abanamsebenzi nami shuthi iningi le mali bayicheck
imali sisekhona point isingaba-freeze i-account
kingamayazi ziningi lezi
process boy
ngathi mangivuka ngithi hayi ngigcine ngine-20 rand ngiyasho ukuthi hayi awuthi ngihambe ngiyothola isiphuzo nyana mani ngilale late ngilale ngabo-3 out ngiyothola something ukuthi ngiziphuzele not beer not beverage yeah something nje yabo juice i-Friday nangapha yabo just nje ukuthi ngivule la dala ngikhuluma hawu mangifika lapha hayi sandla ngiyaphinda friendo namanga my friend
uphindo
sandla hawu ngithi mangicheck
cell phone banking ya
ithulile akuvela ngabalance akuvela nganext ithulile likhona app ngabafonela lapha angitshela lo Mrs ngathi angisho bayakwazi ukubona
activity account
lezi zinto ezenzakala lapha kwi-account so uyakhona ukubona ukuthi le mali ezingenayo ziloko zibhalwe imicabango yakho
bose ngicabangile
nama-10 rand nama-30 rand uyabona ukuthi ngikhuluma nale usmooth naye ngikhulumisa kamnandi ikhona enye into engakusiza ngayo hayi ayikho bengifuna imali yami
ayisontemani nje
imali ngaphuma ngaso kanjani ngathi mangiya ku-branch ngathi I don't want to bank with you nginikeni i-statement sami ngihambe ngiya-FNB asikwazi ukunika kumele after investigation yani manje ngoba mina ngi-right
hawu abantu it's like should lady bekumele uyenze in terms of a foundation uqala i-GoFund inkinga uma uyenza kanjani ngiba lazy mina ezumuntu like kusamele ngiyongena ku-website ngifakele imali like that's a lot of process
yona be-right yamali ama-30 rand
ayahlangana
boy they must upload that
Capitec, what are you doing?
you must go boy you must by blocking into
Friday bekwi-Friday ekuseni
lo muntu lo dazo umuntu ukhuluma ngathi nta yonke into yenzeke manje nta yonke into wena 2 weeks ago phone got stolen Friday kahle kuyanyiwe
2 weeks ago
yonke into is happening now
shooting nalela ngowathanda
same day phone ilahleka
bangiblokha nabanye
apho thanda zami
khona lela ngoliskipping bamthanda
bamthetha
abangazi ukuthi mina ngiyamthola
I couldn't learn to skip it, but it happens.
You know, when you skip a day of prayer, then in the future there'll be a day whereby everything just goes wrong.
Same day really wrong.
Like you skip it up.
Same day.
You skip it up.
It's
not nice. You skip it. It's not nice.
Let's skip it up.
Nanoma usiba mara uthi Jehova kancane.
Yeah, it's
like uthi hello. Uyabona nje ukuvuka ekseni utexe ekseni.
Yeah. Engawa same day mara bengi happy still. Zangibe happy mangibuya sengilahlekile ifone bengi happy mabablock icard. Mase manje ifone seyilahlekile ingqondo yami ayisathathi kahle manje.
Phone is crazy.
Phone is deep, boy. I see that.
Kumele siye ku Capitec ngicabangile mfethu. Kumele siye lapha C4 ne kube ngathi shay heist bese safika sayivala bese sicela my sister account let's vule
Chop price
with the account. What it was sindile 20,000.
What if khona umuntu bekazi ba like ngifuna ukushintsha impilo yalo
Awu bese yena baya
khona umuntu
uthi hayi singitshintsha impilo yalentwana iqale kabusha kunina khaya
akhala athi fakani kanje abantu babona ngathi ngiyadlala ngithi
kanti ngithathe serious
ngithathe serious yabo because bengikhuluma ngenye video man khona enye video bengikhuluma bengithini vele mara bengikhuluma ngemali mhlambe khona uyibonile waba like awuchishi abangifana babona ukuthi hey bwana
there's been a progress man things are moving right I keep it no
so then same day bekuyangeliwana ngeFriday hey1 enzeka yonke lento le angabuya sekukhona enye phone vele
yeah so before usitshela what's the plan going forward usitshela uya try
Try.
Ecava mangithi yadry ilungisa ingqathu.
Yo, try.
Mujoro.
Joro.
No mujoro.
Joro. Minor issues, no minor issues.
Why ungajola?
Ngathi why vele ungajola. Why ngizojola manje? Bekunzima la bangazisondezi labantu phambili manje why ngizojola manje. I think kumele ngenze izinto zami kahle, ngidle imali yami the way ngifuna ngakhona.
Uzamthola endleleni.
Naye mangizomthola endleleni ngakhona naye kumele abe nemali.
Wait, so uthi wena in a relationship imali ibalulekile.
Empilweni.
Manje kumele abe nemali intombazana.
So kumele sibe nemali.
Enhla bona mabasifuna imali kanje nabo kumele
Nami namsebenzi naye kumele abe nemali. Angeke uzongicela imali esikhathini samanje.
No, airtime yaya.
Esikhathini samanje.
Udlula i-airtime.
I mean, I want to airtime you my sister ngeblog.
Uchaza ukuthola airtime nemali yokuza I turn off boy.
Uyeza ora uzi anginamali.
Imali
Sizoba inkinga no. Shuna noma ngastaka lapha emall ngishilo ngithi yabuye siyothenga kada uhlale kapatale.
Exactly. What if mina ngithathe bengifuna uhamba 5 minutes kanti ngigcine sengihamba 15 minutes. So mele awungadluli.
Ungadlulisela ngomsawala. Kumele wena ukuthi ubuye uzobhadala.
Abocheri abanemali ba right mfethu. Yabo ukujola nochero lambile sometimes.
Idlali bangulanga
yabo like uphanda nje ucabanga uphanda nje ngayo yonke indlela. Labo nje uCherry kumele abe nekunyeke naye. Ukadala uCherry kumele abe nama goals wakhe player. Khona into kumele abe busy ngayo naye. You understand?
Yeah, no, besides that, wonke umuntu kumele abe busy mfethu.
Everyone must work.
Uthi my
span.
Cabanga I'm texting for like 10 minutes ukuthiwa uyenzani. Mfethu busy ngiyasipana.
Mela sisipane nathi.
As mina ngayida ukuthi umtexted good morning ngabo6 ngobuye esipanini or uyoba busy bese sibuye sesikhuluma ngabo 8. Sho ukuthi lelanga libe productive for wena buyenza something nambe ngenza something that's why singakhulumisana. Maye wena une 12 o'clock, une 2 o'clock, une 4 o'clock kumele sifonelana. Angeke kusirelate.
Every 2 hours.
Ngathi manager yami, ngathi supervisor yami. Angeke.
Yakho uphelele.
Yo abekule sasikhathi naye wachifta ngisho mase kuqala kubheda wachifta abaningi yabo nje wachifta bonke bengibanukele bengathi
Ungatawugezi mfana.
ngibanukela strong hey
Manje West experience it because I think live khona lo ngikhenga kubona uringa ngayo. Khona lo munye ke wamthumela imali, uqeda wabuye wayithatha le mali ku send cash. Yena angakayi collect.
Ubeka birthday mntana khona umntana Grand.
Sitshele lapho skipper.
Intombazana nje bengibhizi nayo. Ya birthday la afike shuthi maka birthday avele ngenile nami 350 yami. Ngida not ngimfake something. Yabo cash send wise so. Ngimfakela Tuesday. Ngithi bangifika Friday zimile Friday sangisina mali. Mangithi ngiyabheka lapha.
It's unredeemed.
Yeah.
Sithi hey wena.
Plan ayithatha.
Buyisa lento leyo. Buyisa.
Maseka ekipa.
Sathi
Ngakini sinamba yapayisa ta. Ngoba mayitanga mina ngakusendela mine. Bese after 30 minutes ngiyayifuna ta. And if it's unredeemed.
Mina ngishaka uma metro lapha endleleni ta hot man anginanyuku mara kusendela send cash. Cha.
shaya.
Yeah, mama kumele ubribe metro.
Yo la ungayiplan.
Yamgala.
Mofika le phambili.
Sometime uqeda ukushifta uyayikhansela. Change password endleke. Yeah, change password.
Change pay.
Hey, yathi mayifika lapho ithithumela
Izama
Ngana sithi imali le ayiphu. Athi why umshini ubhale error.
Manje tabona senithola abantu ama plan wethu mina.
Composure.
Hayi so ikhatha.
Hayi ngakhathi iqale right.
For common.
Icabangela abantu manje. Sizoba broke masicabangela abantu.
Ngeke. Kumele ngisho bafandi kumcabango.
Yeah.
Mara bafita ngeke atona ngeke bukayi. Mina uye ku Capitec futhi ngiyakhala.
So yeah, what's the goal going forward with everything empilweni like? Besides I see the vision is you want a house, that's the dream.
For
I'm talking
everyone.
about the goal, let's say. Ufuna ukwenzani for manje
It's
kahle?
not a dream ukuba it's a goal.
Mm.
Ukuba nendlu. Hayi.
Yeah, mara like
Short term,
goal.
short term, more short term, more short term.
Like is it-
Yeah, ukhuluma ngama short term goal. Yeah, that's a long term goal for sure.
achieve.
Engifuna ukuzenza manje.
Yeah.
Yabona nangathola ifoni ephila saka. Ngizokwazi ukwenza yonke lento le kahle kahle. And then move out of the room. Yeah, kahle kahle ngasho kanje.
Not even if it's like a house, just like to move out of the.
Yeah, to move out.
Space yakho
Yeah,
yo.
ngizothola space yabona. So,
Man, do you think what collab do you think you're willing? Like,
Yeah, what are you looking? Yeah, ngaspana nobani vele.
asifana nobani vele. One. Junior. Asifana no Junior.
Junior ba?
Masbuko.
Mm.
Hayi bo.
I hear you.
One umuntu.
Leye bowucabangani?
Bakholwa ukuthi ngikuphi?
Yeah. Imagine lethi bowucabanga, lethi sengicabangile.
Mina ngasebenzana noma yipi umuntu la ke willing ukuthi.
Okay, let's say who are your top 3 content creators? Wena obancanywayo top 3.
Ile yam Primo.
Aish, alena masima mafethu.
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely.
I guess we'll never know.
I guess never.
Abantu abashisayo vele. For me. Inkinga nayo yo TikTok since ngiyenza kanje akusabukeli.
Awusabukeli, that's the truth. Bro.
Why?
When you
enter the industry, you try
the
to.
moment you post, no, must we produce outside consume matanga. That's the truth.
Yabona inkinga into engibhorayo. Angisabi entertained, ngivele ngicabanga ukuthi okay.
Mina ngayenza so.
Okay, singayenza ngicela sempore.
That's the thing.
Ngisho ukuthi no Junior uyashisa.
Junior is who?
Masbuko. Hayi bo. Ngase bani? Yasenkambini yami yaselayinini uKarabo Maseko.
Yeah. Awuthika thabani Tsepang.
Talushe.
Yeah.
Hayi bashisa uPrimo. Hayi bo.
Alukarabi namasini.
uKarabo.
Ngisanokushaya ivideo ne uyibheke kanje uyibukele kaningi unganothisi.
Ngakile. Ngishaya video noPrimo. Yeah, ngishaya noPrimo. Ngazi beba kwindawo ewa. Fika lapha bathi ukuthola ne2K.
Yeah.
Ngafika 2K. Lapho uye grooving ne2K. Isho kanjalo caption. Fika ne2K. Ngakile.
Botshala ne 2006. Ama 2006 inkinga nje.
Ay, bafethu lama kanti lokudla ay. Singikhuluma bazozibangibona.
Ama 2000 afike ngenye indlela.
Hayi mfethu hayi. And imagine tangaza amachita they made in weird ways because amachita now are short and the girls are thick. Ngithola should my lamanzi lawa basenzela wona nje because if you look at the old jets are taller tanga umntana bethu tanga ngithola thina manje usanokuthola enye intana tanga ikumetrikinga ngithola so ay bese uthola ushera khona ugeleza naye ngiyamhalela ngizoboshwa either way
Unenyash.
it's fine
Nyash.
Kanama nyash. Yeah.
kanama
Hey.
Noma ngithi
uzoboshwa
sifike umjolo sifuna imali yabo.
yawa hayi vele sifuna yona
Ungathathi umntana abantu umlethe la uzomsafarisa.
Yeah.
Safarisa umntana abantu kwemanje naye abuke ama struggles. As soon as you struggle umtshela ukuthi hamba. Ushawa moya.
Struggle from a gibo mami ngafika la sekafuna ukuzenza uBeyonce ngami sekafuna ukucheese
Bafika ukufuna wings for 2.5.
manje sefuna uba it wena ujwayela ukuhamba 13 kilometers kuye shop manje sefuna sport
Umntana lo ekseni uyavuka ethenga amagwinya 80 for ifamily yonke. Bafika ufuna ukubuka ngama-tank twins. Ay, baby Kelly.
Yeah. Lento le ngiloku ngiyiphuza la ngiloku ngiphuza
nami ngiphethe 69
Asivalile.
Yeah, kahle kahle.
Yeah, tshela abantu bashake nge-message mfethu ukhulume nabantu bakho.
My good people,
Check it out.
oh there. Lapha nginibo. I see you now. abantu bami abacontinue ukuthi before ibukela ivideo uya reposta before ubukela mangithi sengicabangile uya reposta ya like then okunye sozokwenza after you do this ngibonga support Phetha Wajita Infinity into engapheli
Nice, engapheli. Doesn't finish this one.
Yesenza ifilm into it doesn't finish yesenza ifilm.
Yeah,
It's a movie.
it's not just a podcast.
It's a
movie.
It's a wow.
It's a wow. Obvious, guys. Thank you guys for watching. You know, Nizwile, what's it before anything? Repost, share, subscribe, guys. And like. Bese comment ukuthi sewucabangeni.
Yeah, we like the ideas, right?
Yeah. We'll see you some other time, guys. Niyazi
Niyazithanda.
mara ningathumela uCapitec. Sekumele bakuthumela ama-send cash ne.
Yeah, abengibatshela abafuni nix.
Hayi, semcash bazochintsha amaphini.
Khona uyini ke ufake i-text okufakela ufake iphini kuphela.
Yeah. Hayi,
Ukayiphin
sivula i-FNB
code uphela.
Ungayiphini kuphela 1234.
Bese siya.
Lisi akaya.
1234 uvele wabhala ku 1 2 3 4.
What you want to do? It's up to you. 01.
Ngishaya ngesana.
So vula i-FNB, lento ama-send cash asiyivuli. Bazosend i-send cash 3000 siyele i-Capitec sijabulile bese ithera.
Yo, bazowaste isikhathi. Cabanga ugibelile eCapitec. Yo, sinje vele guys. Nani mametro niyekela uku-accept ama-send cash. Ngemanje.
Tshela ngisindele ku-account.
Yeah, guys, Shilo Musa Stanley, obviously. Kanjalo, every day, all day long. Yes. Till next time. Peace, guys. Hey.
Sengicabangile guys, choose your friends wisely. Ngizama ukuthi khethana abangani kahle. Umngani wakho akumelanga asabe ukuziphonsa freeway imoto ihamba ngenxa yokuthi kumele kutholakala urafu.